Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on reset. And as you can see, the second option is connected with the networks, so let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you what it will reset, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth together. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings, enter the screen lock and tap on Reset Network Settings. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.